Hi, it's Lynette here. So today I have this box and it has some lovely little goodies in it. So you might remember a couple of weeks ago I posted a Friendmail from Sally, and Sally is absolutely amazing. She said, I've got something else to send to you, and this box arrived and she just popped in like a wee note saying that there were bits and pieces that she couldn't use, so she'd sent them on to me, which I thought was just really sweet. There's loads of things in here, so I was kind of dead excited, and I thought I'm definitely going to do a wee video just to show you and just to say thank you to Sally. And hopefully by the time this video goes up, Sally's received her mail back from me. She's up in the kind of islands, so it does take like a day or two maybe later, but not that long. So she's popped in here. I'm just taking out the packaging. Another one of these Spa to You brushes. Now they're absolutely fantastic, and my son nicked my last one, so it's always good to have another one. So yeah, I'm delighted with that. So what I do with this is, so this side's an exfoliator and this side's just a brush, and it's not electric or anything, it's just handheld, but I like that. I'm always a bit wary about putting anything kind of that whizzes round near my face, but I pop my cleanser on here, and you only need a little bit, so it's saving me a lot on cleanser. Or if I'm using my cleansing balms, I just rub it on, and a little really does go a long way. So these are fab, so I'm delighted to claim this one for myself. There's also this gorgeous little sleep mask, which will come in handy, as we've all got kind of like sleep issues in this house, and none of the rooms have curtains in this house, and I'm swithering whether I'll put curtains in or not, but we got blinds fitted, and they're really nice wooden kind of white blinds. They're kind of, well, we were going to go for shutters, and then we realised how expensive they were and thought, what a waste. You know what I mean? I'm just quite happy with the wooden white blinds, but I'm not sure if they're going to be too light in the summer, so these come in handy for that, you know, if I don't get around to putting curtains up, but I'm not sure. So there's another product in here, it's called Eureka, and it's Aura, and it's a body spray. Now I've already had one of these and it was lovely, so I'm going to try and open it. I have just painted my nails. Surprise, surprise. Quelle surprise. So this is it here, the Eureka. It's got a really lovely smell. I won't actually spray it because I'm in the kitchen and Steve's just about to make tea, but yeah, I can smell it through there. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I will pop that in my bathroom to use straight away. There's a product here which I have only ever had a sample size of. Plastic sticking to me. I've only ever had a sample size of this, and I loved it. It's a Philip Kingsley Flaky Itchy Scalp, calms and comforts the scalp. So it's shampoo. However, I don't know if you've heard me say, but I've got to be really careful what I put on my hair, because loads of things make my scalp itchy. So this is really good. So if I've used a product that might contain something that's irritating my scalp or it's going to make it itch, then I can use this, because literally I can actually just scratch my head until it bleeds, and it's horrible. So I will, if I've used something that's really upset my scalp, I can use this to counteract it. So when I saw this, you know, it's 75ml, so it's a full size one, I was over the moon. Let's say I've only ever had a little one before. And this is by Josephine, and I think it is a highlighter. Yes, Do You. It's absolutely lovely. I've actually been in this box and tried everything. So look at the packaging. Isn't that beautiful? Really pretty. I'm gonna pop it on. It's stunning. Really stunning. So it's a liquid highlighter. I think you can see in this light. Yeah, it's the end of the day on a Sunday. Probably it's about 7 o'clock. I can't see. So in my oven, time, right? It's 7:30. I can see on the microwave. But my oven, when it's like got the temperature, you lose the time. I think that's really annoying. So anyway, just pet peeve. So there was this, and there was also this. Now you might remember this from the giveaway that I did, and yeah, it was saying that about something that was in a friend mail from my friend Tracy. That's Huda. Sometimes when you give these things away, you really kind of like kick yourself because you think, oh, do you know what? I really like the look of that, or I never even got to try that, but look at these colours. So I am actually going to swatch them because I didn't get to swatch them on the ASOS box, and so I was really delighted this was in here. As I say, I really kind of, oh, that's the top line. That's really pretty, isn't it, that top line? So as I say, I really I am not confident with doing a red look, so I will probably need to go on, and that's the middle line, that's gorgeous. I will probably need to go online and kind of see if I can find a tutorial. Oh wow, that one's kind of coppery. So I can kind of do the best that I can with this. And that's the top line. So those colours are absolutely gorgeous. So yes, I will follow a tutorial, I think, because otherwise I'm just going to look like I've been punched or something. But isn't it beautiful? Yeah, and I'm delighted I actually have it. Yeah, I've not been, I don't think I've had the last few ASOS boxes. But I think because they're such a struggle to get, I feel guilty, and I do the giveaways. And there's a little nurse. It's a red lip, which is gorgeous. But look at that, paint's on. Absolutely stunning, isn't it? And there's more, and there's more. There's also this MCO Beauty cheek and lip tint, and it's blendable and it's quick drying, natural flush of colour for face and lips. It actually reminds me of the, is it Benefit? You know how they used to do the tint, the cheek and the lips? That's what it reminds me of. And I've never really used them. However, it is different kind of packaging. So it's got that on it, so I'm going to take it off. So I really need to have a play around though, and work these liquid products. So just ignore me. It is nothing like the one that I'm talking about. Was it High Beam or something? That was like painted. It was like a nail polish. But this is it here. So it comes out liquidy. And it's quite red. It is blendable. But I would probably use that as a lip tint rather than a, I think I'd use it as a lip tint rather than on my cheeks, because it's probably just a bit too dark for me, unless I put less on. Yeah, I probably put far too much on. But as I say, I'll have a wee play around with that. And last but not least, this product here, which smells amazing. So it says Curly Girl compliant, which is amazing. And it says here, Curl Empowering Cream Gel, vegan and cruelty free by Imbue Kinks, Curls and Coils. And it says for 03 curls. So I've used the curl cream today. But I think I just need to, I don't know what I need to do with my hair, but I'm looking forward to trying this. Oh, it smells amazing. Jiggles. So I'm looking forward to trying this. So yeah, I did use a curl cream that's kind of similar to this, and a wee bit of oil and some hairspray. So yeah, I wanted to come on and just quickly do this video because I've got it all over my hands and my breakfast bar. Because yeah, I was just really delighted, just really pleased as well that somebody thinks of you as well. So yep, I'm going to have a good old time kind of trying out all these different products and doing some kind of tutorials to have a wee play and make sure I can get the look spot on. My sister created a really lovely red eye look, and was it for Halloween a couple of years ago? So she was being a devil and she done like red eyeshadow and had like red contacts, and it was absolutely gorgeous. But then I've not got the kind of makeup skills that she has. Anyway, I am going to try and follow a tutorial, see how I get on with that. But thank you so much, Sally, it's really, really appreciated. And yeah, you've made my day, and I've been meaning to film this for the last few days, so now I can actually go in once I've filmed it and have a wee play around with everything. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.